Journaling prompt. Simple things that bring me joy. This was one of the first journaling prompts I came across. Simple things that bring me joy. I was thrilled when I read the prompt. It seemed so easy to respond to, and such a great way to get things going, to give myself something to write about. It felt like a really good way to get started with this whole journaling process. And I quickly whipped out my cell phone, opened the Notes app, and started jotting things down in no particular order. Just the first few things that came to mind. It was a really fun topic to stop and think about. And then, as I sat down to actually put it in my journal, I realized, well, I could make a list, but that felt a little bit incomplete. So as I started journaling, I not only listed a few things that brought me joy, but also why. So let's go ahead and get into what this journaling spread is all about. 5 simple things that bring me joy. 1. Rainy days. Growing up in Southern California, we don't get a lot of rainy days. And I think that's why they feel special to me. Being at home, snuggled under a cozy blanket, listening to the sound of the rain is soothing. I love that sound. 2. Board games with B. B and I are competitive with each other, but it's all in good fun. And when we play games with each other, we play to win. And it's always great when I beat him, but I'm proud of him when he wins. So it's always just a good time. The fun is just spending time together, joking, laughing, and teasing each other. V has the best sense of humor and always makes me feel good. 3. Planner stickers. Planning is my favorite hobby, and there's nothing like the feeling of opening new Happy Mail and seeing my new stickers. I get so much inspiration from stickers, and I start thinking about all the fun and beautiful spreads I can create. I read once that having a hobby is healthy because it lowers stress, and that's true for me. Planning is my happy place. 4. Walking on the beach. If I could live on the beach, I would. I love the sound of the waves, the feel of the sand between my toes, and swimming in the ocean. Everything about the beach is wonderful. I love walking along the shoreline and feeling the water splash against my legs. It's hard to put it into words. It's such a simple joy and something I always look forward to. 5. Audible books. I enjoy listening to a variety of different types of Audible books, but for sure, some of my faves are biographies or memoirs that are read by the author. It's really cool to listen to them tell their story. Audible doesn't replace my love of holding a real book and reading, but it's another way to enjoy the books that I love.